Dimar is introducing the brand new DTOPX saw blade line. Your choice of excellence for 300mm, 96 tips, 10-degree hook angle table saw blades. DTOPX, the cutting edge in performance, extended life, and low noise. New standards of quality levels, the classic version or the extended life gold labeled premium version. DTOPX, your choice of excellence. Option 1, laser marking only. Option 2, laser marking and HP printing. Option 3, D-top of the pyramid, the gold labeled premium quality with the non-stick electrostatic coating. Advanced body design with anti-vibration slots filled with adhesive polymer. Optimal gullet and tip design enables fluent sawdust evacuation, minimum turbulence, and noise reduction. 2 available grinding geometries, TCG or ATB with 10-degree hook angle. DTOPX, superior cutting performance for most types of man-made boards, such as MDF, chipboard, and plywood. Chip-free cutting edges top and bottom. DTOPX, your choice of excellence for superior cutting performance, extended life, and extremely low noise.